So now we go to trace up here. So there are some cases that also the first series it also can become the second series by putting this little sign on top of it. So in Khmer we call it trace up. Trace up. So when you put trace up into certain consonants in Khmer, so this first series become the second series. Okay, so bo trace up bo is O sound, become the second series. Bo, beer, bi, b, b, bu, 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 bơ, bư, beer, bê, bé, bấy, bảo, bảo, bấm, bom, bấm, ba, bo, ba, bò. Sa bù, sa bù, sa bù pi đồng, sa bù pi đồng. Bô na đô sa bù, bô na đô sa bù. So sabu it means soap, sabu. Sabu pi đồng like 2 pieces of sabu. So here's a note, important note here. They say trace up, this little dot I just told you this moment ជាវណ្ណយុត្តសម្រាប់ប្រើលើព្យញ្ញៈ4ទូគឺបសហអ to trace up only use with only 4 letters from first series to second series when you put the trace up on top of these 4 letters. So bo so ha o, so all these 4 are first series sound, the o sound, but when you put the trace up it becomes the second series. Okay, so let's go with this here. So trace up so, so, si, 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 su, 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 sủa, sớ, sứ, xía, xế, xé, sấy, số, sứ, súng, xuống, súng, xuống, xia, so, xia, so. Si, su, sam. Phía si, to su, cao su. Dù thía tỏ su ca bia đầy cỏ. Dù thía tỏ su ca bia đầy cỏ. So cao su here, rubber, stretch. Cao su is dù thía. So the picture here. So dù thía tỏ su ca bia đầy cỏ. Okay, next one is ho. So ho, trace up ho, ho. Here, he, hu, 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 here, he, ha, hey, how, hử, hum, hom, he, hu, ha, ho. Tao hùa, tao hu. Ta bi pizza tau hu. So tau hu is like tofu. Tofu và tau hu. O here. So o is the sound is first series. So when you put trace up, o trace up o. O trace up o. So o, i, u, u, ư, ỉa, ế, ế, ấy, ớ, ứ, ế, u, ế, o, ua, u, o, rô, u. Và so u, o, rô, u. Ti, ni, u, o. So u, o, it means noisy. Ya cho ro u. So u o when there are many people, and u o noises. And we go to Rin Sa language review for the 4 letters with the trace up here. So bo, so, ho, o. Sa bu. Sa bu, cao su, tao hu, ro u, hư hà. Chào bi tha tì ni u o. Chào bi tha tì ni u o. A ký che si tàu hù. Cột má khom tò su tơ xà la. Okay, let's go exercise here. បាទចូលបំពេញស្រៈឬវណ្ណយុត្តឲ្យត្រូវនឹងរូបខាងក្រោម So we want to fill up here the trace up, okay? The last one is to say a soft strong, so they want to write nyo for several times the same letter to practice your writing, okay? So guys, thank you very much for your time watching this video. I hope you like it, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.